One of the questions that are directed to me is when taxes are due on qualified money, such as an employer-sponsored retirement account, your IRA. Well, let me tell you folks, anytime you make a distribution or receive a distribution from the employer retirement account, TSP, 401k, 403b, or your own individual retirement account, that distribution is taxed as ordinary income. So you have to be careful on the distributions. Another thing we have to look out to today, there is a penalty if you take a withdrawal from these retirement accounts prior to 59 and a half. Now, if you want more information, and I hope you do, you can get an RMD kit from me, absolutely free. Just contact me at freeman@justaskfreeman.com.